Very good, very good. You answered very nice. And whatever I wanted to see in yourself, first time you saw that things with the confidence, and your body language also was showing. That is very important. Okay.
Barley.
So which type changes you are feeling yourself before joining and after joining this institute?
I am glad to join this institute. After joining this institute, I feel the growth in myself, and I not just about the speaking skills, it's also about the hesitation and fears. While I speaking, I feel very confident, and that are the changes I found after joining.
So what do you feel right now?
I feel right now very glad, not nervous, a little bit excitement, but also with nervousness. Good evening, everybody. I am going to talk about importance of education today. So, education is very, very crucial in this era, because if you are educated, if you are educated properly, then you are able to connect with people, you are able to improve yourself, you are able to express yourself. Education is also very, very important in personal growth, because education teach us the differences between what is right and what is wrong. And if you know what is right and what is wrong, then you are able to take decisions. Your life is not controlled by someone else, and your life decisions is not taken by someone else. You are able to know what is right and what is wrong, and you are able to take decisions. You in society, how to communicate with others, how to deal with the life situations. It is very, very necessary, because when you are educated, then you are able to know how to deal with the negativity, how to deal with the trolling, how to deal with the how to deal with ups and down in your life. If situations are not in your favor, and then at that time you are able to confront the situations which are not in your favors, and you are also able to confront the negativity, confront the people who oppose you, and confront any situation throughout your life. And you feel confident when you are educated, because confidence is something which is coming when it is not that when you are you are get lot of knowledge, and you are getting skilled, and you have a proper hope. It's also help how to deal with the world, how to deal with the society, how to behave and live in a society, how to keep ourselves grounded and motivated with the situation. How education is also something which teaches how to be happy whatever we have, and how to embrace ourselves, because it's in enlighten individual's personality. It is something which embrace gracefully your personality. It is something which also embrace the situation you deal. You very gracefully deal with unfavorable conditions. You confront your situations, and you confront and deal with people who are oppose you in the situations when situations are not, because it definitely drives your confidence, resilience in yourself. And it is also very, very important in this era, because in this era it is very, very easy to get manipulated or get fooled by somebody or by someone. So if you are educated, then you are able to know that who is trying to manipulate you and who is trying to fool you. So if you are getting knowledge of something and you are educated, then you feel confident, and you know how to deal with anything, how to deal with any situation throughout your life. That's all about education.
When you started speaking about importance of education, you spoke very nice. I was listening you, but there was no emotion in your words and feelings. Actually, your body was not moving. As I said, that try to move your body part while speaking. It will give you confidence. Okay, there was a nervousness in your face. Because so that things try to improve next time. You spoke very nice, but try to impress, try to show that motivation that you are going to speak something about that is very important for our life, because education is very important for our life. So you are going to speak and tell something about important of education in front of people. So try to show that things, try to show your motivation. Yes, I'm going to speak about this topic, so you can learn from these kind of things. Okay, so these things try to maintain while speaking in front of camera, in front of
Practice it at
people.
home.
Okay, and when you will go speaking for presenting yourself in front of people, so definitely you will have to show your confidence. That confidence is your matter. Okay, so when you are going to speak, so try to feel words, sentence, and according to sentence and words, express your facial expression. This is very important. So for next times, I hope you will improve that things, and when you will come, so you will show each everything. So my first question is this: why do you think that education is very important for everyone's lives?
Education is important because I think that education is important because it drives a personal over overall well-being. It's enlighten individual's personality. It is not something which is directly connected with studious being studious and being skilled. It is something which also is very necessary for the personal growth.
Okay, when you answered my question, okay, so try to make eye contact with me, otherwise you can make eye contact with audience, okay,
Okay.
and show your body language. Okay,
I
like you are
have to-
speaking like this, okay, so show your body language like
Like
this
this.
and that is very important. It will give automatic confidence.
Okay.
It will give extra confidence in yourself. Got it? Next question is education is only about getting job?
No, I don't think that education is only getting a job because getting a job and having run a professional life is not only important in our life. Except for professional life, personal life is also very important. And in personal life, education play a role slightly differently. Like it is not about having getting job and skill and be studious, because it is something which is very personal, because personal life is not run by professional life. So for personal life and for personal growth, just getting a job is not important. Education play a different role in that. I think it's gives you a chance, and it gives you the confidence to deal with the things, to deal with the personal life. Of course it is important in professional life, but it also teach how to deal with personal life, because personal life is something where lot of aspects and lots of personality requirements are needed. So education is something which is not just rely on to for job opportunities and all. It's also very important for personal growth. That's
Okay,
all
very
about
good.
it.
Can person be successful without education?
Yes, a person be successful without education, but without formal education, a person can't be successful, because a successful means not something which is only related with ambitious or goals and professional life. It is also related with personal life. So for a personal life, formal education is very important. And education is some very subjective. So if you are very subjective and you are educated, then you are able to get and play a role in a professional life. But for personal life, it is not that much matter. For personal life, actually the thing which is important most is that formal education. And formal education is something which teach us moral values, which teach us ethics, which teach us how to behave in society, how to live in society, how to deal with elders, how to deal with juniors, and what is the wrong and right, about justice, about the things which is necessary for the professional life also. Because these are the basic things, formal education, which is aligned with professional life. Because only having education is not it is not important to get successful in life, because lots of people are not successful and their children are getting success in life. And when you see mothers, homemakers, they are not educated, but their children are doing very well professionally, because the ethics, the values they teach, the formal education they teach in home, it is keeps them grounded, and it is important because it is the base for personal growth. That's all about it.
So was it a challenges for you?
Right
Because
now,
yeah, because it is first
right
time.
now, whatever you told, I keep it mind, and I try to practice every day the with in front of camera to speak, and that's actually remove my hesitation and fears. So this
So
is-
what do you want to recommend student who want to join Your Success classes?
I recommend that if you want to be a good speaker and if you want to be confident in yourself and embrace your personality, embrace your individuality, then you have to join this institute, because you are not only skilled professionally and skilled on learning basis, your personality agitation peers is also improved, and you know how to deal with people, and you are able to communicate properly. If you don't have words, then also you are able to communicate, because your confidence is built at a very previous and a very crucial state.
Okay, very good. Clap for her. Okay, so it was very nice speech by Siri, and she spoke very nice. And if you really want to improve yourself, if you want to really build your confidence, so join Your Success classes. Definitely, if you have dream to become good speaker, and if you are thinking that English communication is a barrier in your life, so I can sure that you can improve English communication with me, because Your Success classes provide very nice structure and very good material for learning English communication. Thank you all of you.